The 2026 McLaren GTS is here, and it's rewriting the rules of what a Grand Tour should be. Welcome back to Engine Empire, your home for the world's most thrilling machines. Today, we're diving into McLaren's latest masterpiece, a car that combines the raw aggression of a supercar with the comfort and elegance of a long-distance cruiser. Step inside the GTS and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that feels like a fighter jet cockpit fused with luxury lounge. McLaren has wrapped the interior in the finest Napa leather and Alcantara, with precision stitching that seems laser-drawn across the seats and dashboard. The driving position is low and commanding, with perfectly sculpted carbon fiber bucket seats that hold you like a racing harness while still offering long drive comfort. The central infotainment screen is vertically aligned, featuring McLaren's updated interface with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Even the steering wheel is free from unnecessary buttons, staying loyal to McLaren's performance-first philosophy. Behind you sits a glass partition that shows off the engine-like artwork in a gallery, reminding you exactly what kind of beast you're piloting. And speaking of beasts, let's pop that engine cover. The 2026 GTS is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pushing out a staggering 641 horsepower and around 465 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this machine rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. But it's not just brute force. McLaren's proactive damping control system constantly analyzes road conditions and driving inputs, delivering a ride that's smooth on the highway and razor-sharp on winding roads. With rear-wheel drive and an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the GTS feels like it's glued to the asphalt yet ready to dance at every corner. Top speed, an eye-widening 203 miles per hour. And thanks to a revised exhaust system, the sound that follows you is nothing short of symphonic thunder. Now, what does all this glory cost? The 2026 McLaren GTS starts at around $240,000, but let's be honest, nobody buys one of these without adding carbon fiber upgrades, custom paintwork, and bespoke interior touches. Realistically, most buyers will cross the $270,000 mark. But when you're getting a car that drives like a track weapon, looks like a concept sketch come to life, and pampers you like a luxury coupe, that price suddenly starts making a lot of sense. So, is the McLaren GTS the perfect blend of thrill and refinement? Absolutely. It's not just a car you drive, it's a statement you make every time you turn the key. If you loved this breakdown and want more jaw-dropping machines delivered straight to your screen, make sure to subscribe to Engine Empire. Smash that like button, drop a comment with the next supercar you want to see featured, and share this video with someone who dreams in horsepower. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion burning. This is Engine Empire, signing off.